Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while. Sorry I haven't been posting. It's been a couple months, but let's get back to it. I'm going to try and post these consistently again, maybe once, twice a week for the long form. All right, let's go ahead and start it. The first company we're going to talk about today is an update on Clover Health. It is one that has been performing really well in the past month. My first video I posted was in March of 2024. Clover Health at the time was selling at a $391 million valuation at 79 cents per share. And if we go check out the price today, it's going for $3.92 at a $1.9 billion valuation. That is almost a 400% gain this year. We're doing pretty good. Let's take a look at the fundamentals, income statement, balance sheets. We'll take a look at the quarterly data first and see why it shot up over the summer. Let's go ahead and start going through the Excel spreadsheet. I always start with the quarterly data. We're going to start with talking about earnings per share, total revenue, cash flow per share, cash flow from operations, and improvements in net income for Clover Health. This data right here is the latest data that's been posted. 356 million. They posted 325 in June of 2023. That is a 9.5% year-over-year growth. So 2 consecutive quarters of year-over-year growth. When we go into earnings per share, that is where the huge improvements are. So pretty much right after they posted this earnings per share, the stock just kept going up from $1. And the biggest reason why it started moving is because the huge improvement in earnings per share. So latest earnings per share in the June quarter 2 of 2024, they posted 2 cents compared to negative 6 cents. That is up 133% year over year. So right now, looking at the data, they have currently posted 2 years of consecutive year over year quarterly growth. Looks like they've been picking up in the yearly growth of earnings per share in the past 2 quarters. 73% and 133% respectively. Those are some major improvements on earnings per share. That is probably one of the reasons why their stock has been moving. But of course, there are other reasons, and one of those is insider buying. So look at all this insider buying in 2024. Again, this is right around the summer, so March. The insiders have been buying at around 70 cents and also up to $1 to $2. So next up, we'll take a look at cash flow per share and cash flow from operations. The latest 2 quarters posted positive cash flow per share and cash flow from operations. Year over year has been negative, so it's actually gone down compared to the previous quarter. But other than that, let's move on to net income. They posted 7.4 million, negative 28.8 million in the previous year. That is 125% year over year increase in improvement in net income. This is the first quarter posting positive net income, so that is a huge improvement in their fundamentals. So again, when we take a look at the stock price, started seeing some major movements May, June, and July, and that is because in the latest June quarter, huge improvements in earnings per share, total revenue, and net income. If you did watch this previous video back in March, thanks for watching. But like I said, it looks like Clover Health will be fine. I just wanted to go over the latest quarter 2 earnings transcript, and we're going to go through a couple highlights where Clover Health has seen major improvements. They recently just posted positive net income for the first time as a public company. They've also delivered double-digit top-line growth with further margin improvement in their core insurance offering. Lastly, they did have a strong first half, and as a company, they are able to operate as a profitable Medicare Advantage plan almost entirely on a PPO basis. They do aim to manage quality not by network narrowing, but by pretty much equipping physicians with their proven AI-powered software platform. It's going to help them manage their total costs and improve clinical outcomes. They will be focusing on identifying and managing chronic diseases as early as possible. Some other positive news, as you could see on the top, Clover Health Medicare Advantage PPO plans earns a 4-star for 2025. If we go back to their cash flow real quick, they talk about how their continued cash flow will be positive and that they have strong conviction that this allows us to operate from a position of strength. They're also committed to their share repurchase program. So just a reminder, with that share repurchase program, it is up to 20 million over the next 2 years. So far, it looks like they have repurchased approximately 2 million worth of their stock. So it does look like Clover Health has seen huge improvements in the past 2 to 3 years. With huge improvements, especially in their balance sheets, it does look like moving forward, they will be able to self-fund their future membership growth themselves. So it does look like there is still some room for this stock to grow. There has probably been a lot of short selling happening on this stock for the past 2 to 3 years. Looks like the turnaround is starting to happen. The next couple of years for this stock is going to be a pretty exciting one. All right, let's keep it at that. Thanks for watching, guys. So real quick, let's just put it on the record. Today is October 25th. Currently going for $3.92 at a $1.9 billion valuation. Let's see how far this stock goes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.